Hey man, I'm running out of video ideas. All I ever do is shoot arrows. Shoot 1,000 arrows? Okay. Hi, I'm Tyler Gearing, and today I'm going to be shooting this target 1,000 times. So let's not waste any time and get to the range. This is the range. Today I'm going to be shooting 20 yards back. But before I can start shooting, I need to figure out how good, bad I am. To determine my skill level as of right now, I'm going to be measuring each arrow from the center and then the distance between each arrow. I'll write that down in this notebook and we can average it out later. And this is where I shot my first 20 arrows. I record each one in my notebook and here's the data. On the left, we have the distance from the center of the target for one of the arrows. In the middle, the other arrow. And on the right, we have the distance between these two arrows. If you look at the graph, you can see my shots are very inconsistent. Hopefully when I shoot my last 20 arrows, the graph will be more consistent and closer to the bottom. So let's go back to the range and shoot the last 980 arrows. Oh, and make sure to stick around till the end for a little surprise. Day 1. Day 1 was pretty easy. Just shot 100 arrows and called it a day. Not much to talk about there. Day 2. Day 2 is where I shot a couple arrows, then shot a couple more arrows, and then shot a couple more arrows. I was starting to get tired, so I made some coffee. Days 3, 4, and 5. These days were all about the same. Drink coffee, shoot arrows. Drink coffee, shoot arrows. Drink coffee, drink more coffee, shoot arrows. Alright everyone, I just hit the 500 mark. Feeling warmed up. Let's go shoot the last 500 arrows. Day 6. Day 6 was just like day 1. And well, every other day. Just shooting more arrows. Day 7. Day 7 is where things start to get interesting. I was shooting just another arrow, and then something weird happened. All jokes aside, liking the video really helps out the YouTube algorithm. If you want to see more videos like this, please leave a like. Alright everyone, I just got done shooting 900 arrows. You might be wondering why I'm laying on the ground. It's because, well, it's to keep the video more interesting. As I was saying, I only have 100 arrows left to shoot, and I can't wait to be done. So let's go do that right now. Alright everyone, I just got done shooting 1,000 arrows. Let's go review the data. On the left we have my first 20 arrows, and on the right we have my last 20 arrows. You can see from my first 20 arrows, my average was around 4. And for my last 20 arrows, my average was around 1.5. That means I have improved after shooting 1,000 arrows. But wait, remember when I told you there was going to be a surprise at the end of the video? Well, here's that surprise. Instead of just recording the first and last 20 arrows, I recorded every single arrow I shot, from arrow 1 to arrow 1000. You can see how I gradually improve, and you can use this data to see how much you want to improve, and how much time you want to put in. For this video, I shot 100 arrows a day, meaning I only shot arrows for 10 days. If you were to shoot these arrows for 20 days and only shoot 50 arrows per day, you could improve drastically more than I did, because muscle memory only happens when you go to sleep. This Google Sheet will be in the description if you want to take a closer look. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and have a good day.